Hello everyone! Today we'll talk about the CoinEX cryptocurrency exchange, a convenient and reliable platform suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. CoinEX has been operating since 2017 and has established itself as a stable and secure service. One of its key advantages is the ability to trade without mandatory KYC verification, which is particularly valued by users who care about privacy. In this review, I will show you how to create an account, go through verification if desired, fund your balance and start trading, from spot trades to futures with leverage up to 100. We'll also cover how to use tools such as copy trading, staking, trading bots, and other features that allow you to earn income even without constant participation in trading. By using our partner link in the description, you'll receive a nice bonus, up to $100 cashback, for completing a couple of simple steps, as well as reduced trading fees. To activate the bonus, just follow the link and register, entering the promo code PUMP69. Everything will be automatically connected and you will immediately gain access to the privileges. CoinEX is an international cryptocurrency exchange that has been successfully operating for over 7 years. It is among the most reliable platforms with a focus on privacy. The exchange serves millions of users from over 200 countries and offers full functionality without mandatory KYC verification, allowing for anonymity. On CoinEX, all the key tools for earning are available. Spot trading, hundreds of cryptocurrency pairs with a minimal fee of 0.1%. Futures, contracts with leverage up to 100. Earn, staking and flexible savings products with interest accrual. Copy trading, the ability to automatically replicate the trades of experienced traders. Exchange token CET, reduces fees and provides additional bonuses for holders. P2P marketplace, convenient buying and selling of cryptocurrencies using bank cards and transfers. The platform features a simple interface, a reliable security system, and stable performance. CoinEX is suitable for both active trading and long-term storage of digital assets. Registration on CoinEX. To start working and earning on CoinEX, the first step is to create an account. This takes just a couple of minutes. Follow the partner link in the description. It leads to the official CoinEX website and activates the bonuses. On the opened page, enter your email, create a strong password, and make sure that the referral code field shows the promo code PUMP69. This will automatically connect you to the bonus program. After that, you will receive an email with a confirmation code. Copy it and paste it on the site. Registration is complete. Next, it is recommended to set up account security. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, in the security section to enhance the safety of your funds. CoinEX is also available as a mobile app. Immediately after registering, you can scan a QR code to install the app from the App Store or Google Play. This will allow you to manage your account and trade directly from your smartphone. Verification, KYC, on CoinEX. On CoinEX, you can trade and withdraw cryptocurrency without going through the KYC process, which is especially convenient for those who prefer to maintain anonymity. However, if you want to increase your limits and use fiat deposit methods, it's worth going through a simple identity verification. Without verification, trading operations, deposits, and withdrawals of cryptocurrencies are available. Daily withdrawal limit is up to $10,000. No access to fiat operations and certain promotions. With verification, withdrawal limit increases to $1 million per day. Access to P2P trading, launch pool, and bonus programs is opened. The security level of your account is enhanced. How to complete verification? 1. Go to the profile section, user icon in the upper right corner. 2. Select verification. 3. Specify your country of residence and choose the type of document, passport, ID card, or driver's license. 4. Upload a photo of the document and take a selfie. The confirmation process usually takes 5 to 15 minutes. After successful verification, you will gain access to all platform features, including fiat transfers and P2P transactions. Deposits and withdrawals on CoinEX. After creating your account and, if necessary, completing verification, you can proceed to manage your funds. CoinEX offers several convenient methods for deposits and withdrawals through cryptocurrency wallets, P2P transactions, and online exchanges. Method 1. Deposit cryptocurrency. Open the Assets section and select Deposit. Specify the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. For example, USDT, and choose the appropriate network, TRC20, ERC20, BSC, etc. Copy the CoinEX wallet address that will be displayed on the screen. Go to your external wallet, like Trust Wallet or MetaMask, or another exchange where you already have cryptocurrency. Select the Withdraw function, paste the copied address, and ensure the network matches the one chosen for the deposit. Confirm the transaction. Usually funds are credited to your CoinEX spot wallet within 2 to 5 minutes. For beginner users, the optimal choice would be the TRC20 network. It offers low fees and quick transaction processing. CoinEX does not charge a fee for deposits. You only pay the network fee when sending. Method 2. Deposit via P2P, buying with card or bank. If you want to buy crypto directly with your national currency, CoinEX offers a P2P platform where users exchange crypto directly. This method is supported in over 200 countries worldwide, including Europe, Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Here's how it works. Go to the P2P trading section on the main page. Select the currency you want to pay with, like USD or UR. Specify the payment method, bank transfer, Revolut, Wise, Payoneer, etc. Review the list of sellers, pay attention to ratings, should be above 95%, and the number of successful trades. Click Buy USDT, enter the amount, follow the instructions, and transfer the money to the seller. After the seller confirms payment, the crypto will automatically be credited to your balance. Method 3. Buying cryptocurrency through an online exchange. Best change. If P2P trading is unavailable in your region, you can use reliable online exchanges listed on the Best Change aggregator. Follow the link to the Best Change website, provided in the description below the video. In the left column, select your payment method. This could be your bank, e-wallet, or payment system. In the right column, specify what you want to receive, for example, USDT on the TRC20 network. From the list, choose an exchange with a favorable rate, high rating, and sufficient reserves. Enter the purchase amount and paste the CoinEX deposit address, which you can copy from the deposit section on the exchange. Make the payment using the provided details and wait. Usually, funds are credited to your CoinEX account within 5 to 30 minutes. This method is especially convenient if you want to quickly acquire cryptocurrency using a bank card or through payment services, bypassing complex procedures. Withdrawing funds. The withdrawal process on CoinEX is almost identical to depositing. Withdraw to a crypto wallet. Go to Assets, Withdraw. Select a coin, for example, USDT, and the network, TRC20, BSC, Arbitrum, etc. Paste the recipient wallet address and specify the amount. Confirm the withdrawal via a code from your email or 2FA. After a few minutes, the transaction will appear on the blockchain and the funds will be in your wallet. Withdrawal via P2P. Go to P2P Trading. Sell tab. Select the currency and amount. Specify your bank or payment system. Wait for the buyer to transfer money to your card, check for receipt, and only then confirm the deal. After confirmation, the system will automatically unlock the USDT in your account and transfer it to the buyer. Withdrawal via online exchanger. Best change. If you need to withdraw cryptocurrency from CoinEX to fiat, to a card or electronic money, follow the same steps as when depositing, but in reverse. Go to the Best Change website, link in the description below the video. On the left, select what you are giving, like USDT, TRC20. On the right, select what you want to receive, your country's currency to a card, euros to Revolut, dollars to Wise, or any other available system. A list of exchanges will appear on the screen. Pay attention to exchange rates, ratings, and reviews, availability of the required amount. Go to the website of the selected exchanger. Enter the amount, your CoinEX wallet address for sending, and the details of where you want to receive the money. Transfer crypto from CoinEX to the exchanger's address through the Withdraw, USDT, TRC20 section. After the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the exchanger will transfer the funds to your card or account. Usually the operation takes 5 to 30 minutes, depending on the network and service. Trading on CoinEX. After funding your account, you can proceed to the main activity, trading. CoinEX offers 2 key modes, spot trading and futures with leverage up to 100. Spot trading is the standard way to buy and sell cryptocurrency at market prices. In this case, you actually receive the asset in your balance and can withdraw it to an external wallet at any time. How to start trading on the spot? Make sure that your funds are in the spot account. If they are placed in another section, such as P2P or futures balance, perform a transfer. Open the Assets tab and click on Transfer. In the top menu, select Trade, Spot. In the upper left corner of the screen, choose the desired trading pair, for example, BTC-USDT. Below the chart, a trading form will appear, divided into 2 blocks. On the left, there's a green Buy button. On the right, there's a red Sell button. Choose the type of order, market, limit, etc. Specify the amount and confirm the transaction. After that, the asset will be displayed in your spot wallet. Market order, Market tab. You buy or sell right now at the current price. Just enter the amount and the trade executes instantly. This is the simplest option, suitable for beginners. Limit order, Limit tab. You specify the price at which you want to buy or sell. For example, if BNB is currently priced at 1,330 USDT, but you want to buy it cheaper at 1,300, you enter the price of 1,300 and the purchase amount, then click Buy, and the order will appear below. When the market price drops to 1,300, the order will execute automatically. Advanced orders on CoinEX, Stop Limit and Stop Market. These orders allow you to automatically enter a trade or protect your position, even if you're not watching the chart. You set a level in advance and the exchange does everything for you when the price reaches the specified level. Stop Limit order. This order has 2 parameters. Stop, at what price the order activates. Limit, at what price it will be executed. Example, buying on a breakout without overpaying. Currently, BNB is priced at 1,328 USDT. You want to buy if the coin starts to rise and breaks through 1,500 USDT, but you want to enter precisely at 1,500, no higher. Go to Trade, Spot. Select the Stop Limit tab. In the Stop field, enter 1,500. In the Limit field, also enter 1,500. Specify the amount and click Buy BNB. When the price reaches 1,500 USDT, the exchange will create a limit order to buy at 1,500. If there are sellers at that price in the market, the transaction will execute immediately. If you want the order to trigger, even if the price jumps, you can set the limit slightly higher, for example, 1,505. But if it's essential to buy strictly at 1,500, keep both values the same. Stop Market order. This order also triggers when the stop price is reached, but executes at the market price, meaning instantly. It is used when it's important to enter the movement, even if the price changes slightly. Example, buying on a breakout upwards at market price. Currently, BNB is priced at 1,328 USDT. You think, if it breaks 1,500, the rise begins. I want to enter immediately. Go to Trade Spot. Select the Stop Market tab. In the Stop field, enter 1,500. In the Amount field, specify how much USDT you want to spend. Click Buy BNB. As soon as the price reaches 1,500 USDT, the order activates, and the system will immediately buy BNB at the current market price, even if it's 1,500.2 or 1,501. This way you enter at the very beginning of the movement without waiting for confirmation and without manual actions. When trading on CoinEX, it's important to understand the differences between order types. After completing a trade, the purchased assets will be displayed in the Assets Spot Account section, from where you can withdraw, exchange, or sell them back. Recommendation for beginners. If you're just starting to learn trading, begin with a market order. It executes instantly at the current price. As you gain more experience, transition to limit and stop orders. They offer more flexibility and allow you to trade under predefined conditions. Futures trading. Futures are trading contracts, not the coins themselves. You can profit from both rising prices, long, and falling prices, short, using leverage of up to 100. To start trading futures, if there are no funds in your futures account, transfer them. Assets. Transfer from spot account to futures account, USDTM. Go to the trade section, futures. Select a trading pair, such as BTC, USDT, or ETH, USDT. Now, set the trade parameters. Margin type. Margin is the collateral you put up to open a position. Isolated margin. You risk only the amount of that specific trade. If the price goes against you, the exchange will only close that position, and your remaining balance will stay untouched. Example, you have 100 USDT. You open a trade with 20 USDT using isolated margin. If the market drops and the position is liquidated, you will only lose those 20 USDT, and the remaining 80 will stay in your account. This is a safe option for beginners. You know exactly how much you can lose. Cross margin. Here, the entire balance of your futures account is used as a common buffer. If the price goes against you, the system takes additional funds from your balance to maintain the position and prevent it from being closed prematurely. Example, you have 100 USDT. You open a trade with 20 USDT, but the market drops. The system automatically uses the remaining 80 USDT to support your position and avoid immediate liquidation. Plus, you can ride out a temporary drop if you are confident in a reversal. Minus, if the movement continues against you, you can lose your entire balance. Leverage is a tool that increases the size of your trade. You trade with a larger amount than you actually invested. For example, a leverage of 10x means your purchase is 10 times larger than your collateral. If you have 100 USDT and leverage of 10x, you trade as if you have 1000 USDT. If the market rises by 1%, you make 10%, but if the market drops by 1%, you lose the same 10%. For beginners, it's safer to use leverage no higher than 5x. The higher the leverage, the faster you can earn, but also the faster you can lose your entire deposit. In futures, you can profit in both directions, on both rising and falling markets. Long. This is buying. You open a trade if you expect the price to rise. Example, bought BTC at 130,000 USDT and sold at 200,000 USDT. You made a profit from the rise. Short. This is selling. You open a trade if you expect the price to fall. Example, opened a short at 200,000 USDT and closed at 120,000 USDT. You made a profit from the fall. Main rule, if you think the market will go up, go long. If you think the market will go down, go short. Choose the order type. Market order. Opens immediately at the current price. Limit order. Opens when the price reaches your level. After opening a position, be sure to set. Stop loss. A level where the trade will automatically close at a loss. Take profit. A level to lock in profits. Example, opened along at 100,000 for $100. Set. Stop loss at 99,000. If the price drops, you lose a maximum of $1. Take profit at 102,000. If it rises, you lock in a profit of $2. This way, you control your emotions and do not lose more than you planned. Copy trading on CoinEX. Another useful feature of CoinEX is copy trading, which is especially relevant for those just starting their trading journey. It is available in the Futures Copy Trading section. What is it? Copy trading is the automatic replication of trades made by experienced traders. You don't need to analyze charts or monitor the market yourself. All you need to do is choose a trader you trust, specify the amount you're willing to invest, and the system will duplicate their actions, opening and closing positions, setting stop losses, and take profits. This is a convenient way to start earning on futures, even if you don't have experience or time for independent trading. How copy trading works on CoinEX. To start using copy trading, go to the Futures Copy Trading section via the top menu of the website or in the mobile app. You will see a list of available traders. Each trader displays key statistics. ROI, return on investment percentage, P&L, total profit or loss, number of followers, how many users are copying their trades, activity period, how many days the trader has been active. For convenience, you can use filters to sort traders by ROI, number of trades or risk level. When choosing a strategy, it's important to pay attention not only to high ROI, but also to the stability of results and the duration of trading activity. This will help avoid impulsive decisions and select a reliable partner. When you choose a trader, click Copy. A settings window will open. Copying settings. Copy amount. Specify how much USDT you want to allocate. For example, 50 or 100 USDT. Leverage type. You can use the same leverage as the trader or set your own. It's best for beginners not to exceed 5x. Stop loss and take profit. If desired, you can set a loss limit, for example 20%, and a profit-taking level, such as 40%. Click Confirm, and that's it. The system will start automatically replicating all the trades of the chosen trader. How profit is calculated. When the trader you are copying closes a profitable trade, you earn the same return proportionate to your amount. For example, if the trader has a pleasant 10% profit and you invested 100 USDT, your account will grow to 110 USDT. From this profit, the leader receives a commission, usually from 10% to 50% depending on their level. This amount is deducted automatically and you don't need to calculate anything manually. Pre-token trading on CoinEX. One of the most intriguing and promising features of CoinEX is pre-token trading, a format that allows you to acquire tokens before their official market launch. This offers the opportunity to enter a project at an early stage when the price has not yet risen. What is pre-token trading? Pre-token refers to trading tokens before they are listed on the spot market. Essentially, this is a preliminary market, similar to a launchpad or launch pool, but with an important distinction. Instead of locking up funds, you can immediately trade tokens like regular assets. CoinEX developed this system to allow users to assess the potential of new projects in advance, participate in trading, and receive actual tokens after the official launch. This opens up additional opportunities for early entry and potential profit. How it works. Find the section. On the main page of CoinEX, select Trade Pre-Token from the top menu. Select a project. For example, Pre-XPL or Pre-Linea. These are tokens that will soon hit the market. Open the token page. Here you will see current pre-token price, number of participants, estimated date of official listing. Trade pre-token like a regular coin. You can buy and sell in pairs with USDT at market or limit prices. After the pre-period ends, when the token hits the spot market, all pre-tokens are automatically converted into the actual tokens of the project. This is called delivery. Example. Suppose a project Pre-XPL is launched on CoinEX. You bought it at a price of 0.10 USDT during pre-token trading. A week later, the token officially lists on the market at 0.25 USDT. When the delivery happens, all your pre-XPL automatically turns into XPL, and you effectively earn a profit even before the project goes live. If you don't want to take risks with trading but still want to earn income from crypto, CoinEX has a section called Earn, where you can profit from flexible savings. This is passive income. You simply freeze your coins and the exchange pays interest daily. Plus, you can withdraw your funds at any time without penalties or locks. Where to find it? On the main page of CoinEX, open the top menu and select Earn. Go to the Flexible Savings subsection. A table will appear in front of you with available assets and their yields. How it works. You choose a coin you want to put on interest. For example, USDT with an interest rate of up to 5% annually. Click Subscribe next to the desired asset. Enter the amount you want to invest, for example, 100 USDT. Confirm the operation and that's it. Interest begins accruing the next day, and you can withdraw your funds at any time by simply clicking Withdraw. If you are willing to temporarily lock up your cryptocurrency assets, CoinEX offers an attractive option, fixed staking. It is available in the Earn section and provides higher returns compared to flexible savings products. The principle is simple. You place your coins for a specified period and the platform pays you interest. Unlike flexible deposits, funds are locked for a fixed term, such as 30, 60, or 90 days. The longer the term, the higher the potential return. Go to the Earn section in the top menu of CoinEX. Select the Fixed Staking tab. A list of available coins will appear on the screen, indicating the locking period and annual percentage yield, APY. This is an excellent way to earn passive income, especially if you plan to hold your assets for the long term. How fixed staking works on CoinEX step by step. 1. Choose the cryptocurrency for staking, for example USDT, BTC, ETH, or CET, CoinEX's internal token. 2. Specify the locking period, 30, 60, or 90 days. 3. Enter the amount you want to stake and confirm the operation. Throughout the staking period, the funds will be unavailable for withdrawal, but the income is accrued daily and automatically added to your account. At the end of the staking period, the coins return to your balance along with the accumulated profits. We have thoroughly covered the entire process of using CoinEX, from creating an account and funding your balance to mastering trading, staking, copy trading, and participating in pre-token projects. Now you have all the necessary knowledge to confidently use the platform, build your strategy, earn profits, and create sources of passive income.